Bungie. What are you doing? Hey, what's that for? He's trying to attack the camera. Very sweet, buddy. Gypsy, what are you doing? Ah, hey, stop. What's wrong with you? Stop, stop, stop. Stop, Bungie, stop. I'm trying to chew up the bedspread. Go play in the box. What are y'all doing? Y'all just being so still. What's wrong, Gypsy? Don't be rude, Bungie. Hey. Gypsy, stop. 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 What are you doing, Bungie? Being a pain. You gonna lift the bedspread? Look, Gypsy's gonna go in. Maybe not. Come on, Gypsy. Hey, I'm taking a video. Come here, I'll show you. Let's see what, hang on, let's see, how do I stop
Don't you want a blanket?
Bungie's being rude today.
She doesn't like that cardboard.
If I can get this on Facebook, I've done it before. I don't remember how to.
Here, it's a smaller. Yep. Gypsy.
Bungie, stop with the bedspread. Gypsy's gonna throw that off the bed. Is he chewing on the bedspread or is he licking it?
No.
Bungie, stop.
You stop too.
Y'all are bad. I'm gonna put you back in your cage. Can't behave.
Did you see him slide?
So is it gonna be a showdown? Maybe not. Bungie, stop.
Why did you? I got one for both of y'all.
God. It's like a rat.
Gypsy.
I think they hear Mackenzie. Mackenzie came in the room.
It's like your spine.
Mm-hmm.
She's inside.
Yeah.
Gypsy.
Oh, now here comes a Bungie. Angry bunny. Hi, Gypsy. Look, Gypsy's coming up. He usually does. Oh, there he goes.
Shouldn't have reached out for him. Like when he slided. Like.
Stop, Gypsy. Let's see here. Golly. Y'all are being mean to each other. Okay, let's see. How do I turn this? How do I stop this? Stop it, Bungie.